Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to Manflow Yoga. In this video, I want to give you a very simple tip to eating healthy. So this simple tip is simply make more food than you need. So whenever you cook food, whenever you're making dinner, whenever you're making breakfast, make more food than you need, put it into a container, and then have it ready to eat later. So I'm just showing you, this is what I have in my refrigerator right now. I've got couscous. I've got some leftover lasagna. I have rice mixed with a spicy meat marinara sauce. I've got some white rice that I just made from a pressure cooker, and I've got a beef hash mixed with white rice and some sweet potatoes. So this is typical for me for my refrigerator. I always have more food than I need. And that's because if I'm hungry and I want to eat right away, I don't want to have to go through the trouble of making a meal. For the sake of convenience, I make food before, ahead of time, and try to make as much food as I can so that when I am hungry, I have something good, something healthy, instead of getting home, not having anything to eat, and then after a few minutes of being, hungry and starving myself, I eat, something crappy. So I always try to have healthy food ready. And the easiest way to do that is to, when you're actually making food, when you have time to make the food and make a nice meal for yourself, just make more than you need. And that sounds simple, but it's very effective because when you have good food for yourselves, that means that you're going to eat that healthy food. You're not going to avoid eating and then binge on something unhealthy later on. So simple tip, make more food than you need. And that's it. If you like the video, make sure to like, comment, share. If you are not already following me on social media, make sure to do that. I'm on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Everything is /Manflow Yoga. And then if you're looking for online structured yoga programs to help improve your fitness, to help you relieve back pain, fix your posture, work on your hip mobility, I've got stuff for all of that on my website at manflowyoga.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on another video soon.